Hi, I'm Paul Hunt and I'm here today to introduce you to the new Jiffy Boat Lift. Now it's a modular boat lift with fantastic lift capacity. At the moment there's a 7-metre Mirage Cat on there. This particular style has 3-ton lift capacity, however we can add more cells to increase capacity. Let's go and have a look to see how easy it is to operate. This is the control panel. Now there's no external blowers or taps required. Everything you need is actually just within this one unit. Let's have a quick look at how simple it is to lower. There's 2 cords in here. Simply just undo the 2 cords. It's that easy. And the unit will now start to lower at quite a good rate, allowing easy release of the vessel. Let me show you how simple it is to lift the boat up out of the water. Plug into your 240, open your control panel and just switch on the 2 pumps. And there you can see it's lifting quite rapidly out of the water. As you can see, it's just taken a few minutes to lift the boat up out of the water, nice and high. Simply open up your control unit and turn off the blowers and unplug your 240 and you're ready to go home.